Three. Why do you take, listen it carefully, all of you. Why do you take and why is it is called carbon compounds? There are so many elements, but only one element carbon is taken as for organic chemistry. Organic chemistry means why does it take only carbon, leaving all 118 elements or 120 elements? Why do you take carbon?
Carbon is present everywhere.
Huh?
Carbon
He is present everywhere. No, that is not right. Why? Why it is taken? Why is it taken? Why is it taken carbon? As per carbon compounds for in the study of organic chemistry, which is very, very important. Sit right. Organic, sit right properly, sit straight. Organic chemistry, sit bend. Organic, why do you sit here? Sit. Organic chemistry, why do you take? Who can tell? You have finished, you have written a number of times.
Tetravalent.
That is the main point. That is tetravalence. It has the capacity of giving 4 electrons. It can give 4 electrons. It can take 4 electrons. That's why it can make more bonds. It can make more bonds rather than comparing with other elements. What is the carbon? What is that? Carbon has how many electrons? Carbon has how many electrons? Valence electrons. First shell goes duplet shell and 2 electrons will be for duplet rule. 2 electrons. Next 4 is 4. How many? 4 valence electrons. How many hydrogen electrons have? Valence electrons. Hydrogen has 1 valence electron. Okay. Then here how many? Suppose if you take C1H4. What is this? C1H4. 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 Next C2. How much H? H how much? You must remember that formulas.
8.
For N.
8.
2 into 2N.
4.
4 plus
2 into 2n plus 2.
6.
2 into how many?
N plus 2 plus 2 into 2 plus
2 into
2 into 2 plus
6.
what is that? N. N means what is the formula? Formulas tell me. Formulas tell me 3 formulas.
Cn H2n plus 2.
First formula is
Cn
H2n plus 2. Next one is
Cn
H2n only.
Next minus 2.
H2n only. Third one is
Cn H2n minus 2.
Cn
H2n
minus 2. This is what here methane. Here methane is why does methane doesn't form? Not able to form bond. Why? Not able to form bond. Here methane is formed. Methane is formed. Not able to form bond. Why?
Methane double bond, sir. Methane forms a single bond.
Methane has a single bond. That's why it can forms. Whereas methane and methane, the double bond and triple bond. This is single bond 1. This is 2. That's why it is 3. 1, 2, 3. The formula is En I 1, 2, 3. En means single bond. En means double bond. And I means triple bond. If you remember that numeric formula, you can easily draw that thing. This is what type of structure this is?
Lewis dot structure.
Lewis dot structure. Lewis, write down. Here methane has Lewis dot structure, that is why it forms duplet rule. It follows duplet rule. H how many? 2. 2 means duplet, first cell. Next to 2. Next to 2. Yeah, hydrogen is okay now for by the following of, but not octet rule. Duplet rule. Duplet means 2 electrons only, but not 8 electrons. But carbon follows here octet rule. Here observe, carbon follows octet rule. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can start from here and write down in that way, and that way round it. This is now carbon has followed octet rule by 8 electrons. Hydrogen has only 2 electrons only. Hydrogen follows only 2, that is duplet rule, right? DUPLET, duplet rule. Hydrogen follows, right? Hydrogen follows duplet rule, and hydrogen follows duplet rule, and carbon follows octet rule. What is homologous? What is homologous? What is homologous? What do you know by homologous? What do you don't tell? What do you follow by homologous? What do you follow by homologous?
Same molecules.
Homologous is followed by
different.
C.
The difference between two atoms is CH2, 3.
2 only. 2 only. Right? The homologous. Right? The homologous series is right. Very important for 2 marks. Homologous is a series which is followed by the carbon with 1 increment, followed by the carbon with one carbon increment, and hydrogen is increased by 2, and hydrogen is increased by 2. Example right? Example right with AN group, that is AN group means C1 H4, carbon 1 H4. Next carbon 2 H, how much? H6. Next propane 3 carbons, C3 H8. Next butane, C4 H8.
10
Next C4 H10. Next
C5H12.
pentane,
C5H12.
H12, right?
C6H14.
Next hexane. Write down all. Hexane 1 marks bit will be coming. Hexane means how much? C6 H14. Write down H14. Hexane tarvata next septane. Septane, SEPTAN. Septane, write down septane. C7 H, how much? 16. H16. Next octane. Write down C18 H, right? C8 H18. Write down octane. The next nanoene. Nano, NO, NaNO, ENA, nanane. C9 H20. Next final one is decane. Right? Decane. All will come from the Telugu words only. Deca means dasha. Dasha means right down. Deca means dasha. The decimal also mana Telugu word dasha. And Hindi also das. Dasha has become into deca, deci. In that way, originated from our Telugu language only it is originated. Next, what is the difference between each group? In the carbon group, you might observe one increasement. In hydrogen group, two increasement. See that. First one is 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 18. That is called, which is called homologous group. Write down HOMO. 2 marks, but we will believe. This time the homologous means you must write all these examples. Minimum 5 examples you must write. Write down a homologous group. Homologous group. Why do you look at them? Write down. Write down homologous group is the homologous group is having the difference of in carbon 1, in hydrogen 2. That group is called homologous group. Next, here what is saturated, unsaturated? Methane is saturated or unsaturated? Saturated means there is no empty space in the parallel group. There is no empty place in the parallel group. That is, you can draw and learn it. What is that? Ethane. Ethane means how many? Ethane means how many carbons? Ethane means how many carbons? Tell me, Pranay. Ethane means how many carbons? It means how many carbons? 2. One is this and another is this. What is that? How many hydrogens are surrounded by carbon?
6.
How many hydrogen? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Here there is what is this?
Bond, sir.
Bond is there. Bond is there. What is that? Electrons? How many? Here 2, here 2, here 2. Here what is this?
Sir, a single bond.
Okay. Here how many? Surrounded by?
Adi kuda 3.
3. Okay. Here what is there?
Single bond.
H is there or not?
There.
H is there. Now the other hydrogen is followed by duplet rule. Here hydrogen is followed by duplet rule. Here this hydrogen also followed by duplet rule. Here, tell me. Here the hydrogen is followed by duplet rule. Here what is that? Which one is followed?
Single bond.
Single bond. Okay. Here hydrogen. This side this is hydrogen. 2 hydrogens are there or not? That is
there.
2 hydrogens are there or not?
They intermix and form a bond called H.
This is one hydrogen. This is another hydrogen. Then only what is that? 2 hydrogens. Next, what is this? How many carbons are there? Ethene. Eth means 2 carbons. What is the formula? Ethane. C2H6. 2N. C2. 2N. 2 2s are 4 plus 2. C2 how much? C2 C1 H4 C2 H6. Next ene. This is a single bond only. That's why it is a saturated group. Next ene. Ethene. Tell me. This is ethane. This is ethane. This is ethane. This is ethane.
CH2.
How many bonds? How many bonds?
1.
How many bonds?
Double bond.
Here double bonds means how many electrons there?
2.
4.
Madara.
This is here hydrogen. This is hydrogen. this is hydrogen, this is here it follows duplicate, here also it follows duplicate, it also follows duplicate. Here what happens?
Two
Here,
hydrogens.
Two
Hydrogen.
hydrogens. Bonds are there.
Double bond.
A double bond means other hydrogen is there or not?
ఉంది సార్.
No, hydrogen is not there with him. Bond. Hydrogen is not there.
Carbon English.
Carbon has strike out that bond, it will make into bond. Here what is that? This is that is wrong. This is bond. This is what is this? What is this?
C2H4 కదరా.
C2 H4 how many? C2H4.
ఎందుకు సార్ అని హైడ్రోజన్ గీసారు మరి?
How many shall I have to remove?
రెండు.
C2, what is the formula here?
అది డబల్ బాండ్ అంటే ఫైన్ కదా H లేదు.
See, that is this hydrogen will become this dot. This hydrogen will become this dot. Strike it out. Then it will make into a bond. That is second bond. If you strike it this hydrogen, this becomes a what is that? Single bond. What is already single bond is there. C2H4. This is the double bond. Okay. What is this? What is this? What is this? What do you call this?
C2H4 ఇది ఈన్.
అదే లెసన్ ఇప్పుడు నవాల్సి అన్నారు. Ethene. This is ethene. That is how many carbons are there? How many carbons are there? Two carbons. Hydrogen how many are there? Four only. Here ethane.
C2H2.
Ethane how many? Ethane.
C2H2.
See, what is that? C2H4. This is C2H4.
ఇది C2H2.
H4 is 6.
4.
H4 is 6. C2 how much?
H4.
4 minus 2 how much?
సార్ -10
మైనస్ ఉంది అక్కడ లేదుగా.
అది ఫార్ములా అని చెప్పారు కదా.
CnH2n. Cn H2n. కిందది CnH2n minus 2. Here how many electrons? C2. 2 into 4. C2H4. Next how many? How many electrons? Tell me. C2. H how much? How many?
2.
C2H2 only. This is H2 only. 2H only we will have to draw. Here 4 hydrogen only draw. 4 hydrogen only. Ethene. Here all 6 hydrogens are there. And there is no place in this stomach of ethane. Here in the stomach of ethane, there is a place. That's why it is unsaturated. It is saturated. It is saturated. It is unsaturated. Again, this also unsaturated. Because of having bonds, it has the capacity to absorb the water from the body cells. That body cells also it absorbs. Absorbs right there. Don't talk a class. Listen it. Why do you talk? Why do you come here? What is how many bonds? How many bonds here? There are 4 dots I have put here. Listen clearly. How many? How many? Well, double bond. One bond has 2 electrons. One bond has 2 electrons. Here, this is hydrogen. Here, hydrogen. This is hydrogen. This is hydrogen. Carbon. What does carbon rule follow? Carbon how many? Here 3 2s are 6. Each bond has 2 electrons. 6 into this 2. And 8 it follows octet rule. Here also it follows octet rule. Here also it follows octet rule. Here also carbon follows octet rule. Remember this. You can draw this diagrams in your school or in your exam. What is this? First one is saturated, isn't it? First one is saturated, second one is unsaturated.
Unsaturated.
There is so much space in the stomach of ethene. Here is also so much space of the space in the stomach of ethyl. This is ethyl. This is ethyl. And next one is write down yourself propane. Write down by try yourself. In the examination you will be asked propane, right now. Propane, C3H6. Write down structure. H8, C3H8. Next one, C3, C3. Propane means 3 carbons. C3 is 6. Next how many? C3H4. Write down a Lewis dot structure. You will be asked in that way. 4 marks will be given. 4 marks will propane or butane will be asked in the examination. Write down. Draw the structure of propane or butane. This is propane. This is propane. Write down. First write down carbons. Then no dots. Then no skeletal structure. Next to condensed structure also you know. Condensed structure is what is that? This is condensed structure. This is a condensed structure, isn't it? See, this is condensed structure. This is parallel structure. This is a C2H6 is a condensed structure. That is. This is skeletal structure. So and this is a parallel structure. This is a parallel structure. Hydrogens are put in a parallel way. That's why it is a parallel structure. This is what is this? Isn't it? Condensed structure. Condensed means C's are condensed, hydrogens are condensed. This is condensed structure. This is a skeleton structure. Skeleton. Only by making bonds, lines, 2 lines. One body has 2 electrons. This is a Lewis dot structure. Dots means Lewis dot structure. Lewis dot structure by parallel structure, parallel or skeletal structure, or this is condensed structure. In that way you will have to learn. Write down. How many have written? How many have written down? How many have you have drawn? You have drawn? You. Nice, very good. Tell me. How many hydrogens? Put hydrogens first. How many hydrogens? Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, now I understood. And dots are here. Here hydrogen has 1 electron, carbon has 1 electron, and this carbon has 1 electron. This is the right in that way, right. First follow the 2-plate rule. It has followed. Next is carbon. Next this also carbon of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon has. Carbon has how many? This is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. You must draw here to here in this way carbon. Here also you have draw for carbon right down. Here also 2. This is 2. This is 2. This has 2. Then this is also you have to follow this. Next also third carbon also. This is in that way. This is draw this. In that way you have to draw. 8 carbon should have 8 electrons and hydrogen should have 2 electrons only. You will have to draw in that way. You can get 4 marks easily. You can get 4 marks easily. Next, how many carbon? First write down carbons. 1, 2, 3. How many hydrogens here? Look at the hydrogen. 6 electrons are there. That's why write the 6. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where do? Sir. First write down full N. Then next to N write down. How many hydrogens should be strike it out of? Don't have ఎన్ని హైడ్రోజన్ తీసేయాలి. ఫర్ ఎక్కడ తీసేయాలి? 2. ఎక్కడ తీసేయాలి? ఇది మిథైల్ గ్రూప్, అందుకని ఏం చేయాలి? ఇది క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తే ఏమైంది? ఇక్కడ ఒక అయింది, అర్థమైంది? ఇది క్యాన్సిల్ చేసాం. ఈ ఆల్సో యూ హావ్ క్యాన్సిల్ దట్. ఇంకెక్కడ క్యాన్సిల్ చేయాలి? ఇంకెక్కడ? సరిపోయిందా? ఎన్ని ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఇప్పుడు? ఎన్ని హైడ్రోజన్స్ ఇప్పుడు? ఇప్పుడు ఎన్ని? సరే ఇప్పుడు ఎన్ని? C3H6. ఎక్కడ డబుల్ బ్యాండ్ పెట్టాలి చెప్పండి నాకు. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఇది మామూలుగా ఉంది. ఈ హైడ్రోజన్ లిజనేట్ ఈ స్ట్రైక్ అవుట్ దిస్ హైడ్రోజన్ it will become into another bond. Okay na? Now the structure is okay or not? Let us strike it out. N has become into E. Next, prepare the ion. How many hydrogens carbons are there? How many carbons are there here? 3 carbons. How many hydrogens are there? 4 hydrogens. Means here put 1 hydrogen. Here also put 1 hydrogen. Where should you put another hydrogens? అదే రిజల్ట్ వైడ్ టాక్ క్లాస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఎప్పుడు మాట్లాడదు ఎక్కడ పెట్టాలి. నెక్స్ట్ ఓకే ఫిల్ అప్ ఆల్ దోస్ అండ్ స్ట్రైక్ ఇట్ ఆఫ్ లేటర్. ఇవే వాట్ షుడ్ బి దిస్ ఆల్సో సింగిల్ బాండ్. ఓకే ఏంది దిస్ ఈజ్ ఇట్ షుడ్ బి ప్రిపేర్డ్ ఇంటూ ఐన్. హౌ మెనీ హైడ్రోజన్ షుడ్ బి స్ట్రైక్ అవుట్? టెల్ మీ. 4. What are where should it be striken out? ఎక్కడ తీసేయాలి? దిస్ మిడిల్ ఓన్లీ. యు మస్ట్ టేక్ అవుట్ మిడిల్ ఓన్లీ. మిడిల్ ఓన్లీ మీన్స్ దిస్ సైడ్ ఆర్ దిస్ సైడ్? లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్, రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్? Left hand side or right side? In nomenclature it has importance and isomerism also there. Left side, this is to strike out to this side and this side and make it also. Then next bond. How many bonds? Triple bond it has. Where should they strike out? Where should they strike out? Drawing is important. Where should they strike out next? Two corners. Okay now?
Yes sir.
Now okay na?
Yes sir.
Now okay, strike, remove this also remove and this also remove. Okay. What is this? How many hydrogens are there? Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. This group is called, write down. This group is called methyl group. Write down, important. Methyl group. Right, methyl group. Ethyl propyl. Write down. Methyl group. Ethyl group. That is methyl group, propyl, butyl. Write down. Pentyl, write down. Methyl, write 3 hydrogens have. This group is called methyl. If it is other side means ethyl group. 2 methyls will become into ethyl group. 3 methyls will become into propyl and butyl. This is called methyl. Methyl, write down 1 mark. This group is called methyl group. What is the group? Methyl group. Next one is write down, important, up to butane, 10th class for up to butane. Write down up to butane. Now write down butane. Write down. What is C4? Which how much? 10. H10. Next C. Write down. C4 H8. Next C4 H6. Find the difference. What is the difference between here is the hydrogen group 2, 4, 4, 6. 2 is the difference. Here also 2, 4, 6, 8. Here also difference 6, 8, 10. 2 difference here. That group is called homologous. That group is called difference of hydrogen to H is homologous group and carbon by one difference. Carbon by one difference. That difference is called homologous group. Homologous group. First write down. 4 carbons write down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I am going to write the skeleton structure only. I have told above dot structure I have told. Now how many bonds are here? How many bonds are here? Single bond only here. Here single bond. What is that bond? 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 Tell me. Right. What is that bond? What is the bond? That bond. Here also bond. Here also. Right. This group is called methyl group. What is that? Methyl group. Here, how many bonds are there? Where should write bond? If it is a another, what are there?
Under 9 hydrogens only, sir.
Then 9, okay. 10th one is I will write down. Okay. So what is this? This structure has full capacity of hydrogen. This structure and these structures are not having full structure. Here double bonds are there. Here double bonds, how many electrons? Only put here also hydrogen. Here also hydrogen. 2 methyl groups. What is this? Ethyl group. Ethyl. This is ethyl. Have you understand? This one methyl. This one with the root. 2 carbons they having ethyl group. ETHI ethyl. 3 means profile. In the vertical also we sometimes give. 3 methyl groups means profile. 4 methyl group means butyl. 5 means pentyl. Remember that. This is A and E and I. They are aryl. Aryl, that is group is diaryl. Here what? How many bonds are there? How many? How many bonds? How many electrons? How many electrons? How many hydrogens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 water. Totally it has okay. Here also 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 9, 10. This is not that. Next one. Here write down. How many?
Sir,
అది హెచ్ అక్కడ సెకండ్ సికి సెకండ్ సి
second CH, sir.
Second C.
ఫస్ట్ సి లో 2 ఉంటాయి 3 ఉండవు.
ఫస్ట్ C లో
2 ఉంటాయి 3 ఉండవు.
దీని హైడ్రోజన్ తగిలింది. ఈ హైడ్రోజన్ తగిలిపోయింది. బాండ్ అయింది కదా. అట్టయినది అర్థమైందా?
ఫస్ట్ ఓన్లీ కార్బన్ చుట్టూ 4 ఉండాలి 5 రాశులు.
ఎక్కడ
ఫస్ట్ దానికి 1 2 మొత్తం
ఇదా?
బాండ్స్ 2 ఉన్నాయి మళ్ళీ 3 ఉన్నాయి.
ఎక్కడ?
ఫస్ట్ దానికి
దీంట్లో
5 2 double
ఏంది కదా ఇది?
కార్బన్ చుట్టూ 4 హైడ్రోజన్స్ ఉంటాయి సార్.
ఇది రాని ఇటు ఇవ్వమన్నావు కదా. ఓకే సరే ఇటు సరిపోయింది. ఇప్పుడు సరిపోయిందా? ఇది ఇచ్చాం. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. ఓకే ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చాం. ఫస్ట్ కార్బన్ ఇదేంటిది? ఆక్టేట్ రూల్ కదా. ఓకే దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆక్టేట్ రూల్. దిస్ ఈజ్ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ నెక్స్ట్ హైడ్రోజన్. Then this is what is this? This is octet, but what you call this? Methyl group, and this is also methyl group. What is this? Methyl group. And methyl. Two carbon, this is methyl group. What is that? Methyl group. Next. Here, tell me bonds. Where should I put bonds? Here, listen to here should I put bonds? Here should which carbon should be surrounded by? Here should do. Here, how many carbons? 4 carbons are enough. Hydrogen. Next. Hydrogen. Here should put a bonds. Here should I draw the bonds. This is skeletal structure. Tell me, here should I put bonds? Here. Here, this is. How many bonds? Sorry. How many? Here should put 3 bonds. Yeah. Here hydrogen is there. Sorry, hydrogen will become this hydrogen will become this and this.
Cancel.
Here also, hydrogen will to cancel. That is okay na? This is the structure. Write down, draw it down.
Completed, sir.
H6 ఉండాలి 12 ఉన్నాయి.
ఎన్నోనే వచ్చి
6 ఉండాలి.
6 ఎక్కడ ఇంకా 6 యాడ్ రాయాలి. ఇంకెక్కడ సరిపోయా? సరిపోయిందా?
Yes, sir.
అర్థమైందా? In that way you will have to write as fast as you can in the examination and get to 4 marks from this diagram. Today, what is that formula I have told you? A9 1 2 3. A means single bond 1. E means double bond 2. And I means means I means triple bond. A9 1 2 3. Remember that numeric formula. You can write these structures. You can get good marks in your. Why do you take carbon? Why do you take carbon? Carbon has tetravalence. It has a tetravalence. It has tetravalence is 4. Tetra has come in our Telugu only. Chatura has been cut into tetra. Chatura ante 4. Chatura has cut into tetra. Close it. Okay. This is the lesson which I have told you. This